Hello everyone. Hello lovely students. Welcome back to this video session. Hope you all are doing great in your life. My name is Ashwan and today I have got a really exciting math lesson for you all. Want to know what's that? Then please don't skip and make sure to stay with me all along till the end. Here we go. So for today's session, we have got this expression and we have to factorize this. And I request you all to pause the video, read this expression carefully and try to factorize it on your own. All right, now let's factorize this expression with me. And before we get into factorizing, I would like to remind you all that in my previous videos, I have discussed in detail about the various techniques of doing the factorization of different types of expressions. And more specifically, I have taught there about the factorization of a quadratic expression using middle term splitting technique. Well, this looks very different from those methods, but still we'll try to figure out what we can do for this. Let's start. So x to the power 4 plus 4. Okay, just think of making a perfect square. So x to the power 4, we can write it as x square whole square, and for 4 we can write 2 whole square. Okay, now if I say x square as a and 2 as b, then we have a square plus b square. Okay, because for x square we are saying it a and for 2 we are saying it as b. So we have a square plus b square. Okay, now when we have a square plus b square, we try to create 2ab. Okay, because when we have a square and b square and we have 2ab with it, we can write it as a plus b whole square. Okay, now I'll write 2ab. Okay, 2ab is missing. So, so if a is x square, okay, a is x square, and b is 2 whole square. So 2ab will be what? A is x square and b is 2. So it's actually 4x squared. Okay. So what we can do here is we can add 4x squared. Now, when we add 4x squared, that will change the value of the actual expression. But we're not supposed to do so. We are supposed to keep the value of the actual expression intact and same. So for that purpose, we need to add a negative 4x squared. Now, this will balance out. Okay, so the original expression remains unchanged. Now, just we'll write this in the middle. Okay, just take this in the middle. So we have x square whole square, and 4x square I can write 2 into x square into 2, and this is your 2 square, and this 4x square will write at the end. Okay, now x square is a and 2 is b, so we have 2ab in the middle. Okay, so we put the values of x square and 2 as a and b, so we get a square twice of ab and b square, and at the end we have negative 4x square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square, and this negative 4x square, we have 2x whole square. Okay, now we back substitute the values of a and b. So a is x square and b is 2. So we have x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x whole square. Okay, now it gives us an idea to use a square minus b square. So let's not use a small a and small b. Let's use capital and capital B so that you might not get confused, because we have already used the lowercase a and the lowercase b in our previous steps. So we have a square minus b square, and we can express it as capital A plus capital B and capital A minus capital B, which is a very popular identity in maths, and this you all must have studied in your earlier classes, right? So now we back substitute the values of capital A and capital B to get the final factorized form. Okay, so I'm using a green pen to write the final factorized form. So the capital A is x square plus 2, and we have a plus sign here, and the capital B is 2x. And capital A, again, we substitute the values, we back substitute the values for the second bracket. Okay, so this is the final factorized form and we did it. Okay, we did it. So just a minute, let me fix this. Well, yeah. So this is the final factorized form. Oh, that's all. So this was all about today's session, and I did my best to make you all feel comfortable and happy. If you like my video, then please share it to your friends and loved ones, and make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next upcoming videos. See you all my lovely friends in my next upcoming videos with more exciting, a lot of awesome questions. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and have a nice day.